Hello, darling. If you're here because you've looked around and thought, where did all my friends go? Then I want you to listen carefully. You're not broken. You're in transition. I've heard so many women say, I used to have friends. We were inseparable. Now I don't even get a text. I'm not invited. I don't even know how this happened. And it hurts. It stings. It whispers. Maybe I'm the problem. Maybe there's something wrong with me. Here's what I want you to know. You're not alone, and this feeling isn't a final verdict on your worth. What you're experiencing is one of the most common shifts in adult life, and sooner than you think, it becomes a doorway. When we were younger, friendships were everywhere. School, clubs, neighbors, proximity, shared experiences, same age. It was simple. Then life changed. You changed. Your friends changed. You moved. They got married, had kids, changed jobs. Suddenly the conditions that once held your group together don't hold anymore. I call this the scattering. The people you were with, they didn't all abandon you. They just went in different directions. And those directions are okay. They don't mean you're unlovable. They mean you're mismatched now. So you feel friendless. But friendless in this sense simply means the friends that match then don't match your now. Your growth, your values, your seasons shifted. And so should your friendships. Having 0 friendships doesn't equal failure. Having 10 shallow ones doesn't equal fulfillment. What matters is one person who would answer your call at 4 a.m. What matters is someone who sees you, knows you, and still walks in your door. If you're in a room by yourself right now, or feel like it, ask, is this the company I want? Because solitude isn't failure. Solitude is space. Space to ask better questions. Space to align with who you truly are. Here's the truth. Adult friendship is an individual sport, not a group sport. What I mean, you cannot wait around for someone else to invite you. You've got to take the first move. You've got to say the text. You've got to show up. It's not about being desperate. It's about being deliberate. It's not about needing validation. It's about extending your energy where it feels reciprocal. You see, there are 3 pillars that make adult friendships work: proximity, timing, energy. Are you physically or socially close enough? Are you in similar seasons so connection makes sense? Does the energy feel aligned, mutual, respectful, joyful? If even one of those is missing, the connection strains. This isn't your fault. It's simply how the human relational ecosystem works. Here's the shift I want you to embrace. When you think, I have no friends, reframe it as, I'm preparing for the friends who are coming. Because when that old level of connection disappears, something else is being asked of you. It's time to get super clear about you, your values, your boundaries, your what you will and won't accept. Because vibrating on your own frequency attracts other people on your frequency. So that means if you've tolerated connections that left you drained, stop. If you've abandoned yourself to keep the peace, stop. If you've stayed in friendships because you felt guilty, stop. This season of fewer invites might be the most powerful season of your life. It's when you lean into yourself and build from the inside out. Practical steps. So where do you go from here? Here are 4 steps you can start today. 1. Reach out. Pick one person you haven't spoken to in months. Send a message. I've been thinking about you. Can we grab coffee? You don't need big gestures. You need one small move. 2. Create new proximity. Join something new, a class, a workshop, a meetup, where people show up regularly. The more you show up, the more you become visible. 3. Audit your friendships. List the people who draw you in versus the ones who drain you. Are there relationships you carry alone? Are there people who never show up? It's okay to let go of the ones that no longer align. 4. Upscale your relationship with yourself. Pick a time each week where you enjoy your own company. A walk, a coffee alone, a journal. When you trust being with you, you radiate completeness. And completeness is magnetic to the woman who feels like she's standing alone in an empty room. Let this be your moment. The room is empty, so you can invite the right people in. The blank pages of your social life aren't a sign of defeat. They're an invitation to design your tribe on your terms. You are not unlovable. You are not invisible. You are not past your prime. You are evolving. You're stepping into a version of you that commands respect, sets boundaries, loves deeply, and invites deeply. And here's the truth. Your best friendships are still ahead of you. They're waiting for the version of you that shows up, confident, clear, and aligned. Be that version. Invite that connection. Create that space.